Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X2 NEO, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications on this device. Begin by going into Settings. Then you need to scroll down and tap on Notifications and Status Bar. Following that, scroll down again and click on the switcher next to an app from which you don't want to receive them. In my case, Chrome. As you can see now, all notifications from Chrome are disabled. In order to enable them, click on the same switcher. But you can also just tap on one of your apps over here instead and manage all notifications by tapping on this switcher next to Allow Notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!